Here I have taken this image, and it's tutorial for the beginners how you can edit your images in Photoshop by using the tools in Photoshop. I am in filter gallery. There we will try the different tools and customize before adding into it. Sharpness, strength as well. Make it, and there try to add a paint around it to change the background. So we will deselect it and select the other part of the image. So let's go to the filter, try to stylize it, extrude, make it 50 pixel box. Thank you for watching. You can see both part of it.